Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Scholar Study, and in today's video we are going to be seeing top 10 JEE main prep apps and websites for self-study. So here you can avail free study material. That is the highlight of this video. So without any further ado, let's just jump into this video. So first, I'm not sponsored by any of these websites or YouTube channel, and this is purely based on my individual choice. So first let us see the first app that we are going to see is about Digibook app. Okay, so it's for IIT JEE Mains and IIEEE, and I've just given the link of the app store thing, and it will be in the description since you can't avail from this. So I'm giving all the links in the description below. My rating is about 3 out of 5 cause it has some paid elements. Moreover, it does not have any unique or exclusive books in its websites, so I'll not recommend that much. Okay, I will just attach a video of it. So here you can see various books. They have chemistry, these are class wise, and they have economics that which we'll not need. Okay, so we'll just concentrate on chemistry, physics and maths that we are gonna read. So in JEE they have lots and lots of test papers basically, and they have some IE Rodov's solutions and DC Pandey solution, but I'll not recommend those. Okay, if you're starting, if you're going to write your exam in 2021, you may refer those, but for 2020 you need not have those. So I'm just downloading some books to show you a demo. Here you have all the formulas. So we have all the formulas here, and you can add a bookmark or you can even add some notes. Okay, so wherever you need, that's a main plus point in this app. And I'll just download another book to show you. So yeah, I've just downloaded. They even have advanced books which are very important. Okay, so you can underline or even you can highlight. You can even highlight your things. So yeah, that's it. Move on to the next. And for JEE mains and JEE exam preparation, so this is the second app, and I have used this app personally for writing various notes for you guys, and it has it has been a big blessing for me, I can say that also, because it's very good app. I have given the link, and my rating is 5 out of 5. As I told, it's a blessing for me because they are giving all the study materials for free, and study materials are very useful. They have all their chapters in depth. I'll show you a video of it. So they have physics, chemistry, maths, previous year paper also. They also have video exams, but I'll not recommend those because you can find those in YouTube also, and they are not of that much quality. Okay, so I won't recommend you no video classes. Sorry for the ads in between. I was not able to avoid it. They even have JEE NEET and NTSC. If you are desperate, you can attend those, but as of now I'm just showing you all the notes, DPP and things. Okay, so first let's see about the notes. I'm just downloading some for a demo, that's it. So you have two for practice paper and notes. So you can see you have practice paper and some notes. So as you can, you have just zoomed in. I'm just showing you, that's it. You have even practice. I think I didn't download it. Now I'm downloading an advanced PDF viewer where you can bookmark your things. Okay, so you can share your page, bookmark all your page. So that's the difference. I just wanted to show you the difference between basic PDF viewer and advanced PDF viewer. So they have about 23 subjects, I mean 23 chapters in physics, and they have maths, chemistry. So I'm just this they have also daily practice test. Okay, so for class 10 and class 12, for class 11 and class 12 they have, and you can even test your speed here. You can set all your, see, you can select categories, time for test, and number of questions. So this is a big boon for us guys. We should make use of it. So we move on to the third is the Maths JEE Main Advanced Past Year Paper Solution. So they have chapter wise paper solutions which are very important, and it is a must have. Again, I'm giving the link. So this is just a preview so that you'll get a reference. And my rating is about 5 on 5 because everything is perfect about this app. The user interface or anything and everything is perfect. So move to the next slide. I'll just show you the you know video of it. Have syllabus, JMain salt paper, conic sections and all. And I'm really sorry for the ad. They are just too disturbing. So yeah, they have see, they have chapter wise paper. Okay, which is very very important to test your skills. It's not only you have to practice and keep practicing for achieving a rank in JEE, which is very important. So they have lots and lots this ads. So they have MCQs with correct answers also they have given. So yeah, they also have some 29 chapters, and which is very important, like this company. Okay, so they are having various other apps that I'm gonna show you. See, for biology, mathematics, etc and etc they have. For physics also they have. I'm just giving all these link in the description. Do check that out. Okay, have for biology, chemistry. I mean, they're doing such a great job, guys. You have to appreciate them. So go and install these apps. Install these apps. They have even for chemistry JE past papers. No, they're doing such a great job. And next is the Unacademy Learning app. I think this app is very famous because they are giving all the advertisement in television. So you'll all know. I have also given the link. So according to me, I'll just rate this app 4 out of 5 because they are not too great. Okay, so they have Unacademy Plus where they are charging fees. So although they have some awesome content, you just check this out. They have awesome content for free, but some of them are paid. I don't like all those paid apps. Okay, so we'll just see how it. So next we'll see about the National Test Abhyas, which is a very famous app. It's given by our government, and I'll rate this thing about 5 on 5 because they have loads and loads of tests that you guys should give a shot. And I'm just giving the link. So we'll just see no video about it. So I'm just showing my profile. So as you can see, they have about 24 or 32 tests. They have JEE Main and NEET also. Yeah, I've just attempted 8 of them to have solutions. I'm sorry, my mark would be somewhat low. Just don't care about those. And they have even solution wise answers, and they have, explanation, key concepts that you must take a note of. It is a very very important tab. Okay, move on to the next thing. This is the physics objectives book for IIT JEE and NEET. Okay, so they, both of them have, the same kind of syllabus, so we need not worry about that. So here this is again from architectures that I earlier showed you. Just a second. So yeah, I'll just, give that user interface. See, again I have some.
Stuck on homework? Snap any math or science problem.
Sorry for the advertisement in
Get free.
between. So you have gravitation, and you see you have the trend analysis, which is very important because we know I've told you about smart work. So you can do the smart work, and these flow chart make our lives easier, guys. So yep, they have all these in here. See, they have again some 31, and they also have mock test. So again you should give it a shot. So see, you have ray optics, all the chapters, and thought.
Download Byju's, the all-new and personalized learning app.
And all the mock tests, right? That is Vedanta Maths. So again, I've talked about this YouTube channel in my previous video, that is about some top 5 apps and websites for class 10, 11 and GE. So you guys should check that out also. I'll give the link in the description, and also place it in the iCards. So here Vedanta Maths is a very famous YouTube channel, and I personally love them. I love their work. I love their hard work. Okay, so you guys should check that also. They have about 572 videos, and in a short span of time they have achieved that, and it shows their hard work. Okay, so here I'll just show you a video of them. So they have also given about 30-day thing, 30-day strategy to crack, and they have various playlists. They have mini capsules which are very useful for me, as personally love their work. They're awesome. I'm just playing there. I'm just put pause. See, they have various things, various important questions and all. They have given under all these uh, capsules. Okay, so they also have one shot videos also, that you guys must check them, and they also have UPSC NDA. They also have some other channel. So yeah, this is about their channel, and let's move on to the next. That's Vedantu JE. Again, this is their own channel. So see, they have 2433 videos, guys. uh, and here is preview of their channel. Okay, so see, 10:30 a.m. there's a live stream, for 4 p.m. there's live stream, 5 p.m. they're working so hard. You guys must support them. Okay, see, they have for chemistry, physics, for even 2021 batch they have also started. They're awesome. See, They have several videos. They have even, best books for JEE Mains 2021 and 22. Okay, so next YouTube channel that we are going to see about is JEE Books. Again, I've talked about this channel in my previous video also. So here I'll just given a preview of them. They have awesome books that cost them 500 bucks or something, but here you can get them for free in PDF form. Who will give those? These are exclusive channel. They've also taught you how to download their books. I think there's a specific way of downloading their books. I'm just, you see, Arihant algebra book they are having, and many things. Okay, so we'll move to the next thing, website, that is the JEE Main Guru. We all know about JEE Main Guru. Okay, I'll just give you a preview of that also. They have Senage, Allen, and Arihant books also they have, but they have a limited Arihant books. If you want more exclusive books, you can go for JEE Books PDF channel. They have premium mathematics revision notes. Wow. They have Allen chemistry download also. These are a boon for us guys, so you guys must check them out. They have many other things. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.